Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia Beth Photography, and today I want to do a little review on this. So this is K&F Concept light stand. So I'm just gonna zip it open and tell you a little bit about it. Just to let you know, I've just relaunched my blog. It's all brand new and shiny, and there will be so many different things from equipment reviews like this on there, tips for small businesses getting started, marketing tips, all that sort of thing. So go ahead to the link in the description and check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any more of these videos either. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna get straight to it. This is the little bag that it comes in, really, really handy. And unlike most light stand, it's a super compact light stand. So usually a light stand will be quite a bit bigger, but these are really, really small. They fold up really nice and tight, so they're perfect for anyone traveling with photography, whether you do destination weddings, anything like that. They're really, really useful for that, but they're also useful for in a studio because they can just be moved around really, really easily. So there's 3 different levels that the legs come out at. So you've got your almost 90-degree sort of angle there. And then you've got one there and another one there. So it goes, if you kind of clip all the clips out and you pop it all the way up as high as it goes, it does actually go to the height of 6.5 feet. So it's really, really tall. You can have it right up in the rafters if you wanted to pop a light on top. It's perfectly built for so many different things. I use these for my speed lights at weddings, but it can also be used, you know, for soft boxes. You could even use it as a camera tripod if you just added a little like ball connector or something like that to the top. It is a 1/4 inch thread at the top, so it's perfect for popping anything on, popping your light, popping your camera or whatever. It's the perfect size for almost all universal connectors have that 1/4 inch thread. I actually have a connector that I use to pop my umbrella and my speed lights on there as well, and it's just absolutely perfect for the job. And like I said, it is so robust, so you don't have to worry about popping it in the corner at a wedding reception or whatever, as long as you make sure it's not trip hazard. It's not going to get knocked over even if someone kind of falls onto it. It's not very difficult to knock over because it is so sturdy. So its folded height is only 1.5 feet. It is literally only 1.9 pounds, so it's really, really lightweight, and yet it is super robust. Another thing that I really like about it are these really huge rubber feet. So there is literally nothing on it that's sharp or got any sort of harsh edges to it. It's all really nice and smooth and rounded. The big rubber feet just means it doesn't make a lot of noise when you put it down. It's obviously makes it far more sturdy because they're so big. I mean, look at them. So it's absolutely brilliant. Another thing that I love about it is it's got a weight hook. So if you were still worried about it being sturdy, you could just take it one step further and pop a sandbag or a weight on the bottom there when it's all leveled out, and then that will help it make it even more sturdy. A lot of light stands just don't even have this. There's a lot of other cheaper options for light stands out there, but they're not really worth the money because they can be very flimsy, very wobbly. So they're really only good for a setting where you're just doing at-home photography. So if you want to go and get a light stand that is, you know, you can rely on, it's going to be robust, it's going to last, it's really simple. Everything about it is just quite aesthetically pleasing. It's really sturdy, even just listening to the clicks. You can just really tell that it's completely shut. They're nice and stiff. They're not going to loosen up anytime soon. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I've had these for a year now, and I just cannot fault them. These are literally only £29 on Amazon at the minute, so actually really affordable. They used to be a bit more. I think I bought these probably for just over £40 last year, but they are reduced at the minute, so go ahead to the link in the description and order one because they are brilliant. I cannot fault them. There is literally nothing wrong with them. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I really enjoyed doing it. I love this K&F Concept light stand so much that I've got 2 of them. Also, before I forget, make sure you hit subscribe. You know you want to. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.